I hope you're ready. I said, I hope you're ready. Because the cameraman ain't even ready. What? See? He ain't ready. He ain't ready. What? What? See? He ain't ready. I hope you're ready. Because tomorrow's going to be fun. You see? It's going to be... Yeah, it's going to be fun. Yeah. You see? Let me tell you why. Because tomorrow you're going to find out who... Can you let me talk? I'll slap you. Tomorrow you're going to find out who believes what. Really? 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 Watch out. See? Ain't no one ready. Ain't no one ready. He's the only one that's ready. Anyways, tomorrow you're going to find out who believes what. It's going to be very fun, very interesting. Bring your friends. Bring your friends. Get ready to eat some good food. We're not going to be preaching tomorrow. It's not going to be a Bible study. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be... Why are you smiling at me like that? I like it when you smile at me like that. Okay, that was Cheryl.
No,
She's
he was talking to me.
She's kind of looking at me funny. Anyways, it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. It's a good day to bring friends. It's a good day to come and hang out. We're going to have a good discussion about internet dating. Okay, so please, please, please have a good time. Come and join us, okay? Tomorrow, here's what I want you to do. Tomorrow during the day, get on Facebook, look at the post on this event, and find the poll. You got to vote for who believes what. Does Cheryl believe in internet dating, or does Matt believe in internet dating? You got to vote, okay? We want to see the votes, okay? We want to see who believes what, so we can have a good little discussion tomorrow. So it's going to be a lot of fun, good discussion, good time, good food. Come hungry, get ready to get slapped. Peace out.